Hello everybody, welcome to the JCMM hack sessions. So we'll be moving on today with one of the very important parts of attending the aptitude, that is the reasoning. So the question is, Ram is facing northwest, he turns 90 degrees in the clockwise direction, then 180 degrees in the anti-clockwise direction and another 90 degrees in the same direction. Which direction is Ram facing now? So if you are following our JCMM hacks and the questions, this was the question I had posted in the last week. Okay, so let me tell you quickly, if these type of questions come, what is the way in which you have to shorten the time and answer the question quickly. Always in reasoning, putting the data in a proper manner in the form of a diagram or putting it in writing is the best way to be 100% sure so that your answer doesn't go wrong. Okay, because the options that are given are almost similar in nature. So let us move with the hack today. The problem is talking about directions. So let us draw the directions north, south, east and west, and then let us put a figure, that is Ram. He's already now in the northwest direction. So we bring Ram here. Okay, now he is going to turn 90 degree in the clockwise direction. So assume here he's now facing northwest. He is going to turn 90 degree in the clockwise. Remember how the clock turns from 12, 1, 2, 3. So he's going to run like this in the 90 degree. So this arrow of ours is now going to move in the clockwise direction for 90 degrees. So I hope everyone remembers how you draw your angles. So from here, when the person turns 90 degrees, that is, he's facing here. Okay, so he'll be moving like this. Okay, so now he's facing northeast. Okay, then after this movement, he takes a 180 degree turn in the anti-clockwise direction. So he is going to turn now in 180 degrees. So 180 degrees from here, he moves here. So see, this is 90 degree and again here. So this is exactly a straight line. So he's moving 180 degree and then another 90 degree in the same direction. So here, this is 90 degree. Okay, so which direction is he facing now? He is facing the southeast direction, and that is going to be your answer. Okay, I hope everyone learned something from this hack. Always remember, when you're answering your logical reasoning questions, it's always better to put a pictorial representation to be 100% assured. I hope all are preparing well. All the best.